Hi everyone, in today's video I'll show you how to clear system data on your iPhone. If your iPhone is taking up too much storage for system data, don't worry, I've got simple step to free up the space. Let's dive right in. First, let's see how much system data your iPhone is using. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage. Then scroll to the bottom where it's System Data. This includes cache, logs, and other resources. If your system data is taking up too much space, here is how to clear it. Head back to Settings. Scroll down, tap Apps, and find Safari. Tap on it. Scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Select All History to clear out cache data. Keep in mind this will close all open tabs, so save anything important before you proceed. If you're using iCloud Photos, here is a quick trick. Go to Settings, your Apple ID, iCloud, Photos, and turn off since this iPhone. Next, choose Remove from iPhone and then turn it back on. This resyncs your photos while clearing up some system storage. Next, go back to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, and look at the apps taking up the most space. For apps you don't use often, tap the apps, select Offload app, and confirm. This clears the app data while keeping your documents intact. You can reinstall the app anytime to use it again. Okay, in the iPhone storage menu, check for old iOS updates. If you see a file labeled iOS updated, delete it. It's not longer needed and may be taking up space. And last way, first restart your iPhone to clear temporary system files. Here is how to do it. Quickly press and release volume up, then quickly press and release volume down. Hold the side button until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. This focuses the system to reload and clear cache files. Bonus, factory reset if needed. If you've tried everything and system data is still taking up too much space, consider backing up your device to include and doing a factory reset. After resetting, restore your iPhone from the backup. This method wipes unnecessary system data and start fresh. That's it. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.